Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account at Photos. Google, and selecting Photos from the menu. Once signed in, make sure you have enough storage and that sync is allowed for your account. If you prefer, open Chrome and enable the Google Photos web app for faster access. Once done, click Upload or drag folders to start importing images. This step gets your library visible so you can organize and edit quickly. Next, upload and organize. Drag folders into the browser or use Upload Computer to add photos. You should create albums, rename files when helpful, and apply quick edits like crop and exposure so your collection looks consistent. Once done, enable backup and sync on the Google Drive desktop app or in Photos settings to keep new files synchronized automatically. Make sure folder permissions and internet connectivity are stable so uploads complete without interruption. Finally, finalize organization and sharing. Select an album, click Share to send links, or invite collaborators with permissions. You can use the search bar to find people, places, or objects. Google Photos indexes automatically. Once done, verify sync completed and that thumbnails match original files. If something goes wrong, check backup and sync status, sign out and back in, and clear your browser cache before re-attempting uploads. This resolves most stuck transfers and display problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.